Frosty na Shachtana, Caitheamh Aimsire 1. An matla a bheith, ag cócaireacht, cooking, ag smaoineamh thinking, ag crooked AD hanging out clothes, ag taid léimneach, skipping, ag rinca dancing, ag gear cutting, ag tarraingt pulling or drawing, ag tamant driving, ag déanamh making or doing. If you can't remember the translations of these, refer back to pages 38 and 39 of your Filtán Gaeilge. This week, pick an above word to put on to the end of each sentence below, and you must pretend that you are doing the action. Act it out. Do all words daily. For example, you start with An matla a bheith ag tamant car. The answer is matlam a bheith ag tamant car. Pretend you're driving a car. Then you say An matla a bheith ag déanamh ceapara. Do you like to make a sandwich? The answer is matlam a bheith ag déanamh ceapara. I like to make a sandwich, and pretend you're doing that. Continue that sequence for each of these egg words. An matla a bheith ag cócaireacht, cooking, ag smaoineamh thinking, ag crooked AD hanging out clothes, ag taid léimneach, skipping, ag rinca dancing, ag gear cutting, ag tarraingt drawing or pulling, ag tamant driving, ag déanamh making or doing. And make sure you're saying the words out loud. That's how you'll gain confidence in speaking Irish.